Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is still caught here just above support, above this ascending trend line and the descending trend line of a broader descending wedge pattern. Solana's decline has been quite shallow compared to the decline of some other coins. It is holding quite well, and therefore I see this orange path to higher prices as reasonable. So this is still absolutely a possibility. However, I wanted to hold the $15 level, which is the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement level on this chart. This is also on the log chart, the 78.6 Fib level, so it works out quite well. So this needs to hold this level, and then against that level, the focus can be on higher, in my opinion. So I currently assume that price is coming down in a corrective structure, which I'm counting as a WXY structure. And in a Y wave, we have an ABC structure. If I zoom in now, then we can see that in the Y wave, in this ABC structure, price is currently moving likely in a C wave, obviously, in a 5-wave pattern. This is the last wave of this correction, ideally. And even though this is quite a large wave 4 in this last C wave, which is a 5-wave move, it is still a valid 4th wave. Remember that price is holding within this descending wedge at the moment. At some point the trend line will break, and that could be a signal that this downtrend is broken, but it would only be a very early signal. A better signal will be a break above $22.20, especially if it's an impulsive break, So $20.50 is really only the first resistance level. If the price can break above that level, I will watch the 22.20 level. There is going to be another micro resistance level above, which is $21.40. Why is that? Well, it could be that this is just here an ABC structure in a different count. I don't want to get into too much detail to confuse people, but then this could morph into a B wave here, and $21.40 would be resistance. Either way, what we always need to see for let's say a signal that price is turning to the upside, it's a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback. Adhering to that process has saved us many times from getting, let's say, too bullish too early. You always need that confirmation: 5 waves up, 3 waves down. And at the moment, we only have a 3-wave rally, quite a complex correction. Price seems to have reacted again here to the 38.2 retracement and the descending trend line. But as I said to you yesterday, go to the 1-hour chart. As I said to you yesterday, price would need to break below this ascending trend line here, this dashed trend line, to confirm that a further sell-off is unfolding. If the price breaks out of the wedge pattern, I think the first target, the first level to watch will be $21.40 and then $22.20. A rejection there would simply, in my opinion, delay the sell-off. So this is a key level at $22.20. Resistance here on the 29th of August, resistance here on the 24th of August, resistance here on the 19th of August, resistance here on the 18th, support on the 5th of August. It's quite an important level. And if we get 5 waves above that level, actually it needs to be 5 waves above $20.50. But looking at the structure, it's unlikely going to produce 5 waves above that level. So $21.40 will be more relevant. $20.50 is simply too close. So $21.40 or $22.20, if we get 5 waves above one of these levels, then we can watch for a potential 3-wave pullback. So someone asked me if I could show you the micro count for the wave 5 down there. Well, when we dive that much into the microstructures, this is going to be an unreliable one, but best I can tell, but price would need to confirm that by breaking below the ascending trend line, right? I mean, this can of course be a wave 1 down, a wave 2 to the upside, and then we could now move down like this. Change the wave degree. So this is sort of how it would most likely play out if we get a sell-off now below the ascending trend line. Another low still seems reasonable, and honestly, one more low to maybe around $17.90 or $17 could finish off this entire correction. We have some nice divergences that are building on the 4-hour chart. So you see here price was making lower lows, but higher lows on the indicator. They have been building now for a while. I like these, yeah. But of course, price always needs to confirm that. Now, one more low on the price chart could create another divergence, another bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart. And that would be potentially a bullish signal or an early signal that the price is indeed preparing for a breakout to the upside. So I think it's close, but I think we're not quite there yet. What would be annoying and what would delay that sell-off is obviously another larger corrective rally before coming down. It would also, it would also destroy this this wedge pattern here. But ideally, we are making just one more low and then move up. But things are rarely perfect, right? Things are rarely perfect, so we'll not rule out that we get a larger corrective rally here, as Solana has done that before. But obviously, this is already the area where I'm watching very closely if a bottoming structure is forming. That's also why I'm observing indicators like the RSI. As I just showed you, there is a bullish divergence there, but we're just not there yet. And without evidence, I can't confirm a low in place. But this is the area broadly where a low should form. But on the microstructure or on the micro level, I still watch for another low. And that could be the last one. Honestly, it's quite exciting, actually. So another low could be the last one in this correction. It will depend on Bitcoin. I mean, it can always extend out further to the downside. I'm just saying another low, you know, the indications, they all, you know, things are, evidence adds up. You know, we have a wave count that just basically needs one more low. We are in the Fibonacci support area highlighted in orange. We have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart. So things are starting to get interesting. And also the decline compared to many other coins was quite shallow on the Solana chart. So again, I give a bullish count definitely reasonable chances for success. Yeah, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership and also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description, and there's additional content very, very regularly. Also, if you're interested in the channel membership, every Sunday we have a member-only live stream at 5 p.m. UTC. It's always educational. Then you get access to our Discord and Telegram chat rooms, and there's a lot of educational material there as well. And also, as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.